Hello again. I opened the package this morning, which I got off Peter Lewis, and he sent me this lovely Ace 4-lever lock, which I picked open. He also sent me this Squire 660, which I didn't pick open, so I'm going to have a go at picking it open now. Right. I'm not going to bother sticking it in a vice. I'll do it in my hand. So yeah, this is brand spanking new. It's a lovely Squire 660, which obviously has not been picked open many times because it's brand new. Let me just see if I can get a better position. It's just laziness on my behalf, not sticking it in the vice. A little bit of movement there. Another bit of movement. Can't beat these Squires. There you go. That's open. The golden rule, as always, is not to get your wire stuck in there, which I possibly may have done. Let me just wiggle this out. There we go. There we go. So that's open. So Peter, for sending me that lock, I am going to send you this little homemade tool and this little pick, which I've just picked open the 660 with. So I'm going to send you them, mate. Also in these, I'll send you the Allen key. If you move these little grub screws and fold down different keys, you can put different keys for different locks in. But also, I am going to send you this one as well. Another homemade tool, which is for Mortice levers. Now, I know you had one of these off me with a clear front on in the past, so you can have a play with it on that. Right, let's see if we can pick this open as well, just to show you the tools working. And I'll send them out to you tomorrow. I've picked this one quite a few times, so it shouldn't give me too much grief. He says that now. It won't open. I think I went into a full set then. Into a false gate, I should say. Yeah, I did. Let's try again. These are a bit trickier because you've got false gates on them. Why do I struggle and do it in my hand? That is a $6 million question. Typical, isn't it? I've picked this lock, all these locks, lots of times. And then for some reason, it won't let me open it up today. Let's try again. Right. Reset. Reset. There. Oh, I thought I'd got you. And I've gone into a false gate yet again. I might end the video early and just send you this this pic, because I'm not having much joy today. Just goes to show. Can happen to the best of us. Oh, there we go. Got ya. And again, get your wire out first. There you go, open. That took a bit of a while, that one. So yeah, I'm going to send you that, Peter, with the wire, and I'm going to send you that one for the Squire one with the wire, and an Allen key so you can change your key pieces round if you want to file some more keys down. Anyway, that's going to go into the post to you, mate. Thanks for sending me them locks, and I'll see you again soon. Bye-bye. Oh, yeah, and try a bit.